60 MGs and I'm feeling just like myself. Baby, what's best for me? G like this, I'm a lover boy fighting off death. Baby, what's best for me? Send it up, charge it while I keep getting next to me. Pill like ecstasy.
YouTube! Welcome back to another video. It's been a minute since we done recorded, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, but I'm here, I'm back, you know what I'm saying? So, today, we're doing something fashionable, you know what I'm saying? About to teach you how to really get fat, like how to really be fashionable. Got a hoodie, regular black cropped hoodie, but I'm finna show y'all how to really make it like custom fashion, you feel me? Custom fashion is best fashion because it can be tailored to you, look how you want to look, instead of you just hoping you buy something and that look good. Feel me? Things I'm gonna use for today for what I'm doing in my hoodie. You can do a whole bunch of stuff, but some paper plates, cause you gonna see paintbrushes, so I'm gonna paint on it. I got 2 pairs of scissors, cause these are gonna be used for 2 different things, I ain't gonna lie. Got some screen paint, but you don't gotta use this paint. Use acrylic paint, use fabric paint. This really pretty much, oh, I'm gonna drop it. This pretty much is almost fabric paint, but like sort of not, but like it can still work, you feel me?
Nigga, shut the fuck up.
So I'm gonna show you the whole process, really, of start to finish. I'm about to show you how I style it at school when I take pictures. And yeah, really just sit back, enjoy the video, you know what I'm saying? Really just learn how to be fashionable. First thing we doing, to this hoodie, we gonna cut this middle part of the hood. So, what I plan on doing is, probably cut it. You wanna cut along the seam. You don't wanna cut the seam itself, just cut right before the seam. So that way it don't mess up the hood too bad, and then now you gotta take off the whole hood. You feel what I'm saying? We just gonna cut right at the seam, like right at the seam. And then yeah, first we just gonna cut, you know what I'm saying? Gonna cut right about there. These scissors are low-key butt for this job, but it's whatever. But yeah, you just wanna cut pretty much until it's open enough to, you know what I'm saying, how you like it. Simple as that, you know what I'm saying? Just cut it until you feel like it's open enough for your liking. Like I want it pretty, not pretty wide, but you know, wide enough. You know what I mean? See, we got one side cut, feel me? A little bit of an unsmooth cut, but I don't really care too much. We probably gonna cut it more, but we just gonna do the same thing to the other side. Just so you know what I'm saying, get the evenness, and then we can eyeball it from there. But how I'm liking it. Okay, yeah, that's looking good. We just gonna do the same thing really on the other side. Yeah. So I'll catch y'all back when I finish cutting this other side. Feel me? Back. So I just finished cutting the hoodie. As you can see. Let me show y'all what it looked like on, but you know, it was a quick little modification, you know what I'm saying? Even if you don't, even if you're not gonna do, you know, everything else I do in this video, you can still, you know what I'm saying, do this at any hoodie. You give it a little more, you know what I'm saying, personality, a little more originality to it. Even if you feel like the hood is too little on you, you know what I'm saying, then you can still, you know what I'm saying, you can cut it open, make it look, ooh, my head's too big, boy. But cut it open, make it look how you want it to look, you know what I'm saying? But this how, you know what I'm saying, it's looking now that we, you know what I'm saying, now that we cut it, you know what I'm saying, give y'all a little 360 of it, you know what I'm saying, a little something slight, Let me show y'all with the hood. Well, I got mad hair, but let me show y'all, you know what I'm saying, now the hood bigger, you know what I'm saying, so all my big hair people, you know what I'm saying, I know how they be, you know what I'm saying, cut it open, got more hood space. So yeah, I would recommend doing this like every hoodie, but definitely like, you know what I'm saying, just regular plain hoodies, or you know, a hard hoodie that got a really small hood, you know what I'm saying. I definitely recommend, you know what I'm saying, you cut it, it's a quick little thing, it took like a minute, 2 minutes, like it wasn't really a long, you know what I'm saying, you know, thing I did.
Nigga, shut the fuck up.
And now we about to get into where it really matters. So I'm about to switch angles to a whole different position.
What?
Whole different setup. And then y'all gonna see what else I do with the paints and all that stuff. So yeah. Okay, so we on the floor now because I'm not painting over there.
We do not care.
You know what I'm saying? I already got paint on the floor, so it's whatever. Alright, boom. So what I got. Also, I forgot to mention some cardboard. Because the first thing we actually gonna do, you know what I'm saying, put the cardboard, you know what I'm saying, in the hoodie. This gonna protect the back from whatever paint or, you know what I'm saying, whatever you're using on the hoodie is gonna protect it so it don't bleed through the back. And now, you know what I'm saying? The hoodie probably won't open or whatever. I don't know. But hoodie on the cardboard. That's first things first. You know what I'm saying? Let me make sure that in frame, y'all can see exactly what it is that I'm doing. Okay, it looks good right there. Okay, boom. You got this. Take plates, fabric paint, whatever paint you got. Open it down up. I'm gonna be using red. We got red, white, brown, mustard yellow, purple. You got black, blue, and green. So what I'm gonna do, color I want to use is pink, red, green, purple, and like an orangey color. So what I'm probably gonna end up doing is just mixing paints until I find like a good color that I like for real. And then, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna go with that. So yeah, as you can see, got me a little bit of this. Just take some, matter of fact, yeah, I'm not gonna use too big of a brush because I need a mix brush. What's a good like mix? We use this one. This was an orange John. Take some of the paint out. In here, as you can see, got the white in that John. And now, you feel me? We about to get the red in there. You feel me? And it's gonna look real nice, real good.
Nigga, shut the fuck up.
Be careful not to put the tops to the paint down on your carpet. That's gonna mess up your carpet, and then you're gonna look like an idiot. I'm not doing that mistake because I'm not an idiot. So yeah, now you're gonna take the red, put it on top of the white, gonna make it pink. See? That's why you gotta take an art class. Learn your colors, boy.
Boring.
Learn the colors. And now we're gonna mix this to get this nice like pink color. You know what I'm saying? A little nice pink little color. You know what I'm saying? A little nice little pink. Nice little pink. You know what I'm saying? Got some pink in there. Bong. Probably gonna have to get a cup of water. Oh yeah, I should probably get a cup of water. I'll be right back. We got the water. You know what I'm saying? Got the water. So now you're about to mix up some paints, and then you know what I'm saying, we just gonna go from there. So next thing I want to do, I want to make this white this yellow a little bit lighter. You know what I'm saying? Cause it's mustard, tartar sauce, yellow, and I can use both. Give it a little contrast. You're gonna use a different brush to part the yellow. You know what I'm saying? Get in this little John. We're gonna do more yellow than white on this mix because yeah, that's why.
Nigga, shut the fuck up.
Anyways, I'm not trying to get it too light. I don't want it light enough, you know, to where it look really nice, very nice on the hoodie. And yeah, do the same thing. Get a little blue action going. A little blue, you know what I'm saying? A little blue. Can't go wrong with a little blue. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna use this weird looking one. I probably shouldn't be using all these paintbrushes, but it's whatever. And we're gonna do the pretty much same process we did for the yellow and the red. And this is the fun part about making clothes. You just get to experiment with just a bunch of random stuff until, you know what I'm saying, you find something that works. Cause I ain't gonna lie. This is a youngin' first time doing it for real. Oh, this gonna come out a little green. Whatever. You know what I'm saying? A little teal action. A little light teal. You know what I'm saying? Get a new color in there. You know what I'm saying? That's what we're gonna be going for. But, you know, you just gotta make, you know what I'm saying? You gotta make the best out of what you got. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, so we just gonna use the colors we got. Cause I mixed, paint the hood. So, what I'm gonna do to this hoodie is just take my thumb, press it on, and yeah, you know what I'm saying? Simple as that. You know what I'm saying? Simple, quick, easy, little John. We gonna, okay, yeah. Okay, let's see if it's gonna do it again. No? Okay, we good. Come on. 2 for 2. Yes, Ersky. Okay, put papers in there because we don't want them to get dry while we doing this process. And yeah, so here we go. We're gonna take little finger paint, you know what I'm saying, come in, hit it, did like just like this, just like that, just like that, just like that. And we're gonna take this, and then just like that, just like that, just like that. You know what I'm saying? Something slight. We're not doing too much. You know what I'm saying? Take a little bit of red. You know what I'm saying? Do a little bit something like this. You know what I'm saying? And then scoop it, and then a little like it. You know what I'm saying? And then scoop it, and then you know what I'm saying? Like this. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, back to this. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna take some of the yellow that I made, get on there. You know what I'm saying? Get a little bit more. And then we're gonna start overlapping these paints. Open that green up. You know what I'm saying? Really just the whole process. So yeah, just enjoy like a little time lapse of me making the front, and then I'll show y'all the back. And then I'll, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all the whole process of me making a hoodie for real. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all pretty much the whole process of me making a hoodie. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be cool, slight. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna enjoy. And yeah, just sit back, enjoy the little time lapse. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'll get back with y'all when I'm done.
Nigga, shut the fuck up.
Man. This is the face of somebody who always forgets to turn on the mic whenever they record. But Pete, after y'all seen the time lapse, this the hoodie. You know what I'm saying? Only did the front. It took me like a week. I'm not gonna cap. Like I really procrastinated. But there's me showing y'all the cross, and I'm about to use a stitch onto the back. That's the stencil I use for the cross. That's the shirt. Here's my advice. If you're gonna cut out a shirt, please, for the love of God, make sure you know what you're doing. Watch a video or something first. This took me forever to cut. So please be aware of that if you're going to be extra like me and cut out across and stitch it on and this, that, the third. Yes, I hand stitched the cross on the back. Yes, and I did that whole hoodie, like I did the back, the sleeves, and the cross all in one night. It was excruciating pain. But here's a little fit check. We go Tim's, we go hoodie, we go a little white tee under, we go green cargos, you know what I'm saying? Keep it calm. You know what I'm saying? And you know what I'm saying? Keep me taking these little flicks for the gram. So yeah, you feel me? There go photographer Trey in the cut. Make sure y'all tap with Trey. He about to turn up the city like I am. And yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, join the 5-star gang because we only going up from here. We chasing dreams, we chasing goals. 2024. You heard it here first, folks. But yeah, see y'all in the next video. Gangsta 5-star.
Thank you for watching. Follow the socials. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so I can buy this scat pack for summer.
Got a blast!